From rare earths to Bitcoin, the strategic case for a U.S. stake in MicroStrategy. Flint West reporting. You can tell a lot about a nation by the assets it refuses to lose. Once upon a time, it was oil, then semiconductors. Now, it's scarcity itself. That's where Bitcoin walks in, quiet, cold, uninvited, but too powerful to ignore. MicroStrategy, ticker symbol MSTR, has become the closest thing America's got to a shadow Bitcoin reserve. One company, approximately 639,000 coins deep, about 638,985 Bitcoin as of October 2025, sitting right between Wall Street's appetite and Washington's anxiety. See, when a balance sheet starts looking like a sovereign vault, somebody in DC starts paying attention. The logic writes itself. If Bitcoin becomes strategic, MicroStrategy becomes strategic too. That's how the national security playbook expands, one asset class at a time. They did it with rare earths. MP Materials got Defense Production Act funding like it was the new Fort Knox. They flirted with lithium Americas because battery metals make modern empires move. They did it with Intel, shoveling billions into silicon sovereignty. And when Japan tried to buy U.S. steel, the White House slipped in a golden share. One vote that can veto the world. So, ask yourself, why wouldn't they do the same for Bitcoin? If you can't build a sovereign wealth fund fast enough, you buy the company that already did it for you. A quiet stake, a preferred share, a seat close enough to steer, but not so close you spook the markets. No congressional drama, no crypto bill hearings. Just an entry in a ledger that says, we own part of the play. It's not about faith in Bitcoin. It's about having exposure, a strategic seat at the table. If the dollar cracks, you don't want to be left sweeping the fragments. You want to own the mold that shapes the next money. From there, it's easy to imagine the next move. A government stake in Marathon Digital, maybe Riot Platforms, maybe a few quiet miners who already keep some hash power humming on US soil. Because once digital gold gets labeled strategic, every watt and wallet becomes a matter of statecraft. It's not conspiracy, it's continuity. Empires protect their levers of leverage, and Bitcoin's turning into the new lever nobody dares to ignore. Maybe the crypto crowd will scream betrayal, maybe they'll call it capture. But Wall Street, they'll see it as validation. Because if Uncle Sam takes even a sliver of MSTR, that stock gets a floor higher than patriotism itself. The signal is simple. The United States is moving from holding promises to holding proof. Only time will tell, but history has a pattern, and patterns don't lie. Flint West signing off.